Hey guys, we got another social media tips from T on Tuesday, and we're going to talk about maybe starting a campaign, doing some content on that. What do you got?
Yeah, guys. So I know that one of the biggest things, or I guess one of the biggest hurdles with social media is coming up with content. Like, what should you be posting, right? And of course, there's inspiration everywhere because everybody's always posting different things, and you can get, inspo from any of your fellow realtor friends. But I had an idea that I wanted to share with you guys that you could consider for, the next month or so. So the process of buying a home, right? It seems so simple to you and to anybody in the industry, but for people who haven't bought a home before, they have no freaking idea what to expect.
Zero, zilch.
Yeah, they have no idea what to expect, and it's kind of, scary.
And we take that for granted. We just assume they know sometimes.
Yeah.
That doesn't help. Really.
Exactly. So maybe in this next month or so, make it a point to really, hone in on the home buying process and focus on that for all your social media efforts. And it could be, maybe it's one post a week or it's a couple posts a week, and you can do, a video on different videos, like a video series on the home buying process. What's the first step? What comes after that? What's it like working with a lender? You could even, You could
even do it while you're on a transaction. You could make it like a story where it's almost like, hey guys, we're gonna go through the whole process week by week. First week, hey, we met with a lender, we got pre-qualified, we figured out this is what we qualify for. Next week, hey, we've gone out, we're shopping for homes, we're negotiating on prices, getting under contract. Now we're under contract and we're going through the home inspection period. Then the next week after that, hey, your file's being processed. There might be a couple of days where you don't hear things from the lenders. The next thing is they may reach out for some documentation, but also in the meantime, we're waiting for the appraiser to go out. And guess what? The appraiser goes out without the buyer even knowing most of the time when they go out to the house. It's not like a home inspection, so they're always calling and getting eager, but you gotta let them know that it takes 7 days. They'll go out, generate the value, get it back to us. This is the expected date. Just
Right.
make it a story where they're building a feeling and connection with you.
Yes, exactly. And be consistent with it, right? So maybe plan it out. Sit down and plan out, all right, so this week I'm going to do 2 posts on this. The following week I'm going to do 3 posts on this. The following week I'm going to do, a couple of videos on this, and just plan it out. And that way, you can even shout it out to your followers too at the beginning of the month. Hey, as a realtor, I understand that it could be a scary process to buy a home, and that it's not as straightforward as some people may think, and so I'm gonna break down literally the whole entire process for you this month, so tune in with me, right? Get them excited, hype them up about it, and then do it.
Like, if you do it well enough, you could build a personal connection where they almost feel like they're going through it with you. And that's really how it should be done, because then that's that connection.
Exactly. So yeah, guys, consider, a month-long social media campaign around the home buying process, and we can help you too with content.